Hello, today we will guide you through how to integrate apps in Gusto. To get started, open Gusto and make sure you're on the home page of your Payroll admin account. This is the main dashboard where you can access settings, tools, and connected features for your workspace. Starting from the home page helps ensure you're in the right place before navigating to the integration options. Once you're on the dashboard, look toward the bottom left side of the screen. In that area, you should find the app directory. This section is where Gusto organizes available app integrations, making it easier to connect your account with other tools you already use. If you don't notice it right away, take a moment to scan the left-hand navigation carefully, since menu placement can sometimes be easy to overlook. When you find the app directory, go ahead and click on it. This will open the page where Gusto lists supported apps and integration options. From here, you can browse different categories or look for a specific app you want to connect. Next, use the search bar to look up the app you want to integrate. If you already know the app name, typing it into the search field is usually the fastest method. You can also scroll down through the directory if you prefer to browse manually. This is helpful if you want to explore available options or compare multiple integrations before choosing one. After you find the app you want, click on it to open its details page. This page typically gives you more information about the integration, including what the app does, how it works with Gusto, and what kind of data or workflow it may support. Taking a quick look here can help confirm that you've selected the correct app before moving forward. Once you're on the app's page, click the Connect button. This is the action that begins the integration process between Gusto and the selected app. Depending on the app, you may be asked to review permissions, sign in, or confirm access so the two platforms can work together properly. From there, simply follow the on-screen procedure to complete the connection. The setup steps may vary slightly depending on the app you're integrating, so just read each prompt carefully and continue through the instructions shown on your screen. In many cases, the process only takes a few moments. After the setup is complete, your app should be connected and ready to use with Gusto. That's how to integrate apps in Gusto.